Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another vlog, and today I'm actually recording it on my iPhone, which if you saw the last studio vlog, that was also recorded on my phone, and I was pleasantly surprised at how good the quality turned out, because I don't know why I really underestimated the quality of recording on an iPhone, but I think I have the 13 Pro, so the camera should be pretty good. And yeah, I feel like recording on a phone is also a lot easier compared to carrying a camera with me. So I figured today would be a good day to do a vlog, especially since I don't have anything planned for $2 Tuesday's video. This is just going to be replacing that instead. So today is Monday, October 24. I just finished a weekly meeting with Lucy. We went over everything that we need to do for this week. The beginning of the week, today and tomorrow, we're going to be finishing up designs for basically everything, like our Advent, our monthly kit, and then also new releases for this upcoming Friday. And then the rest of the week is all e-course work. In case you don't know, we are coming out with a second e-course. It's going to be focusing on creating stickers with a silhouette. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave like a little information link down below. But yeah, lots to do today. This Monday, I made a little to-do list here. So we have about like 40 open orders that I really want to get done today. And then after that, I'll just be designing for the rest of the day. So let's go ahead and just jump into our day. One more thing, I always forget this part, but if you're not already, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our uploads. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing studio vlogs and sticker shop behind the scenes. Alrighty, so first order of business, I need to take a couple of clips of this week's $2 Tuesday collection. This is actually leftover inventory from last year's winter and Christmas $2 Tuesday foils. So I just kind of put everything together into one collection, and that is what we're going to be doing for this week's $2 Tuesday is these designs from last year. So we get a lot of questions asking why we don't have the clear matte sticker paper, since these are all clear glossy, and that is the reason why. It's because this is inventory from last year. I know we're a little bit behind on our $2 Tuesday collections, but they are coming, and we will be offering it in our clear matte as well as clear glossy. Stay tuned for that, but if you are in a rush to grab some stickers, we will have some available for this week. The inventory is a little bit small this time around, but that's why I combined the two collections. Okay, I'm at the post office because I wanted to go check the P.O. box. We are subscribed to BarkBox, and Casper is looking forward to his monthly box. It got delivered on Saturday, but the post office was closed on Sunday, so went ahead and grabbed it today. I just know he's gonna be so excited to open this later. I'll try to include a clip of him opening it. But now I am gonna go to UPS because they have some Amazon returns, and then I'm also gonna stop by Trader Joe's because it's almost lunchtime and I need to get some food. The nice part about working for yourself is you can run errands at any time of the day, so that is super nice. I picked up this mushroom elixir. I thought it looked really interesting. I don't think I've ever seen it at Trader Joe's, but it's from the same brand that makes kombucha, so I'm curious. And it said it's root beer flavored, so I'm gonna try it. Let me turn the camera around. Let's see if this is any good. It smells like root beer. Wow. tastes like root beer, just not as sweet as like a soda, but really good. Interesting. I wonder if it's gonna do anything, because there's mushrooms in here. Okay, I'm back home now and I picked up some lunch. I have been really into Mediterranean food lately. So I got a falafel bowl. It has like rice, kale, couscous, tomatoes, cucumber, hummus. I could literally eat this every day for lunch. But Casper's here waiting patiently. We are gonna open the bark box next. See, he already knows that this is for him. Okay, sit. It's Halloween themed. Oh my goodness. Casper, sit. Good boy. Let's see what you got. So his bark box comes with 3 toys, 2 bags of treats, and 1 like treat stick. And we normally will like unbox everything, but I'll only give him 1 toy a week every Monday. So today's your lucky day, Casper. You're getting a new toy. Out of the 3 toys, Casper decided to go with this one. That little ghost, fuzzy ghost, and that one is called Sheet Faced because I think it's holding a glass of beer. So yeah, he went with that one. He really likes fuzzy things, so as you can tell by that fuzzy llama, he really likes fuzzy and soft toys. I'm currently QAing all of the kits that I foiled this past weekend. These were last Friday's new releases, so I'm gonna try and QA all these so I can fill the orders today. I've already gone through this pile, have my Misfits pile. I've already gone through this pile and then currently going through this. So what I do when I'm QAing these kits is I look specifically at the foil elements, and I'll look to see if there's any black specks in the foil. So yeah, I can usually do this pretty quickly, so this shouldn't take me too long. But after these are all looked through, I'm gonna have my mom bag them, and then I'm going to write names for orders. Also, usually while I'm doing this, I have something playing in the background. Usually it's either a show that I'm watching, or it's an audiobook, or it's a podcast, or it's just music, but I like listening to something while I'm doing this kind of work. So currently I am watching Love is Blind. I'm on season 3. I'm on episode 4. I'm currently with Casper. I'm taking him out on a little walk. It's, as you can see, a super nice day out. I think it's like 70 degrees today, so really nice. It is a little dry today, but I'm glad that it's not cloudy because it's been raining for the past couple of days. While I wait for my mom to bag the kits, I'm gonna go through and just see what I need to restock around the office. So first up, we need to restock some thank you cards because we're almost out. And then we also need to restock more bags for, these are our mailer bags. And then I'll probably have to open a new pack of thank you cards. We'll probably have to order more from Vistaprint. That's where we order our thank you cards from. And we're waiting for Vistaprint's Black Friday sale because that's the best time to buy. I will say that their processing times are very slow during Black Friday, but that is the best time to order cards. We have plenty of these foil seal stickers that we use to seal the thank you cards. And then just looking at our inventory, I do need to print labels for the vellum sticky notes, just because when people buy them, I have to look at, I'd like pull each one out to see the name. So I'm probably gonna print some labels to put on here. And then we are running very low on our Luxe pens. So we did just place an order for rose gold, and silver pens. We've never offered silver before, so that's super exciting. super low on both colors. Like, this is all that we have left. I think I will probably restock some of the washi tapes as well, just so that is full. I'm gonna go downstairs to show with you all of our back inventory. So if you go downstairs from, that was the first floor. So this is the basement, but also kind of the first floor. The layout of my parents' house is a little weird, but this is like their entertainment room. So they have like a ping pong table, a pool table. This is where we'll sometimes make our oops grab bags here, just because it's a huge table and there's lots of space down here. But if you go over here, this is a sauna that we don't use at all. There is a bathroom on this side, which, hello. And then here is the dry sauna. So that's a little tour of our basement area, but this little back room, I don't know if you can even see it really, but this little back corner here is where we keep our inventory and our excess like supplies. So as you can see here, we have lots of cello bags, and we have like extra shipping labels, more cello bags. Casper's upstairs barking. And then here's the extra fall washi inventory that I'm gonna bring upstairs. Casper is barking. I think there's probably like an Amazon delivery person here, so I'll be right back to check. This is also where we have our extra foil rolls. I realized that there's a lot of stuff for our subscription on the shelf, so I'm not gonna pan any lower because I don't want to reveal anything that I'm not supposed to. So I might have to cut some of the previous clip, but here is our $2 Tuesday inventory from just like earlier this year. You can just tell by the SKUs, these are like earlier. This is mainly our first half of the year foil. We have more foil upstairs that is on the IKEA shelves, but what I'm really here for is to grab some sticker paper. And what else was I here for? Here for the washi, here for the sticker paper. Oh, I also needed more bags. Okay, these are the poly mailers that we use with our custom mailers. So I take them out of this box and I just put them into a box like this so it will fit on the shelf. And then I'll just fill this one up as well. And then this box will go into our storage closet. I'm also going to restock the sticker paper, and I like storing them face down because you can probably tell just from this box the corners are curling up, and that is because it's been super dry lately. So I will have to store these all upside down. But if you live in a place that's really dry or really humid, somewhere where the humidity is like at extremes, then you definitely want to make sure that you are storing your sticker paper either in the original box, which is what we do until we need to use it, or you can store it face down, and that should really help. As always, our sticker paper is from Online Labels. We get asked this like all the time, and we like using, this is the one that we like using. It's OL177WJ. It's the weatherproof matte for inkjet. And that's what we use to make all of our kits in-house, is this exact sticker paper. Another question we get asked is, are our stickers waterproof? And we don't make stickers that are meant to be put into water. Our stickers are meant for planners and journals, so I don't think I can answer that. But These are marketed as weatherproof, not waterproof, so there you have it. Now to restock our thank you cards. We're running low on these and we're thinking about ordering some new ones for next year, and we'll probably be changing up the design of these and updating our website link, since now we're just stickerguru.com. And then here's the inside. We're thinking of switching up the clip art a little bit. I think we're still gonna stick with pink as our color since that's our brand colors, but definitely thinking about changing the text, the clip art, the phrase on the front. Okay, made pretty good progress on the orders. These will be going out tomorrow. I'm currently about to head out to go to a workout class with a friend, but when I come back, I'm going to work on designing for the rest of the night. And yeah, if you guys want to see, I actually just posted a 40-minute long video of me packing orders, I want to say like a couple weeks ago. So if you want to go watch that, put that in the background while you're doing work, go and check that video out. It is almost 10 p.m. I came back home and I've been working on finalizing our Advent designs, and I just finished the 2 weekly kits that are going to be in the Advent. I can't exactly show you the kit because the Advent's supposed to be a surprise. I'm about to go and design the matching foil sheets to go with these weekly kits for the Advent. This is normally about time when I would go to bed. It's like 10 p.m. but I really want to get this finished by tonight, so I am staying up a little bit later. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't know if I'm gonna film an outro clip tomorrow, but if I don't, then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!